Hey everyone on the channel, today I'll show you what to do if Minecraft crashes when joining a world. First, check if your mods match those on the server. If you're joining a server, make sure you have the right version for that server. Also, check that your game isn't corrupted. If none of these are the issue, type run in the command prompt. Type %appdata%, click OK, then Minecraft. Save, and you'll see your worlds. I've got World 2, World 3, World 4, and New World. My current ones are New World 2, New World 3, and New World 4. They're named like this because they haven't saved yet after restarting the game. Let's say I have New World 2. You'll have your own worlds here, named differently. For example, if I content a New World 2, this is my new world, and this is New World 2. See? Here, I'll copy this region folder to another place. I click copy on the world that's not working, then recreate. I click create new world, so we're recreating it. As you can see, we've made a copy of the new world. We exit, then enter the new world, which is our old one. Copy it from here, remove it, put it elsewhere, go to the copy of the new world, delete the region folder, upload ours, then go to the old world folder and copy these two folders, dim1 and dim4.1, from here to the new world. We delete them from the new world and move from the old. Now we can delete the old world entirely. So now we have a working copy of our old world. That's all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is Godik signing off. Bye everyone.